Hello and welcome to the Basement Drum Lab. If you've been following along, I'm working on building my midlife crisis set. Right now, for temporary, just to kind of work on things, I have an old Premier snare that I'm setting up there to try to get my angles right, my heights right, trying to figure all that out while I'm still waiting on the other toms to come in. One of the things that I've known I was probably going to have to do for a long time, this rack is the basic three-sided Gibraltar rack. And one thing I've figured was going to be an issue, there's really not room for two bases between the legs. And I didn't want to split the bases this direction. I didn't want to split the bases over there. I wanted them right in the middle. So one thing I knew I was going to have to do is make a fifth leg there in the middle. And I think what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to end up cutting this bar right in half. And I bought, you can get like all these cool individual parts. I got them on Sweetwater, but you can find them on the Gibraltar website and figure out what you need. You can get the lower foot to match the other feet, which I did not do a good job of, because as you can see, that's actually the longer one. So I'll probably actually cut that down and make it match the other ones since I've got it. Why send it back? And, of course, the vertical bar will go in that foot piece. And then the clamp at the top, I'll put all this together and let you see what that looks like. So you start with the basic foot and bring it together. There was a cap in there that I pulled out. You get one of those massive monsters that, kind of goes in one vertical piece and gives you a horizontal out either side. Put that on there like so. Then you order one of these guys that goes on the top of the vertical pipe, and you have the different little inserts there to give you different size cymbal arms that it can hold. Put that on there like so. And in a future video, what I'll end up doing, I'm going to actually take a Sawzall to this middle bar and spread this out in either direction, and this will end up being right in there. And I gotta tell you, I might actually leave that big foot on this middle piece, because one of my other goals eventually is to get another snare basket like I have my old piccolo snare on there. And I'm gonna actually end up putting the snare on the rack at some point. So I may actually leave that foot, and that may actually be one of my, close to my mounting point for my snare. I don't know, we're gonna see how that works out. But there you go. If you need to add a leg to a rack, that's how that's the parts you need to order. And thanks for watching. Take care.